Hey everybody, this is Callum from Tacubin. Today we're taking a look at the Anker 20,100 milliamp portable battery charger. This is our first ever battery charger that we got. We decided to go with this guy because of its size at 20,100 milliamps. We expect to get 6 to 8 charges for our phones per charge of this guy. And we took this on a 5-week trip through Asia. It helped us out a lot. We like the fact that it includes the 2 outputs. I know some of them out there have 3, 2 did it for us. You obviously have your 1 input charger or charger input, and then you have a button here on the side that doesn't do much except to show you what your battery level is like in this guy. So 4 dots, 3 of them meaning it's 75%. Now this is highly rated on Amazon where we bought it. I believe it's 4.5 stars out of a few thousand reviews. One hiccup that we discovered with this guy, I don't mean the character from How to Train Your Dragons, is the process in which you remove this from the wall unit will affect whether or not it works. This is what we mean. We have this wall unit plugged in here right now. You're going to plug it into your input. There. Now, this is normal. It'll start, one of the lights will start blinking to show you what it's trying to fulfill, right? So it was less than 75%, now it's trying to get up to a full 75%. While it's charging, you cannot, there is no output. So we're gonna put in another micro USB, plug in this guy right here. So you can see here, there is no output, there's no charge, right? Okay, that's normal, great. Now, if you unplug this, obviously, you'll see where it's at right now. Plug in the USB, you charge it, and there you have power, okay? That's great. Let's try this again. Let's plug this guy in and show you where the problem is. It's blinking, which means it's charging, okay? Now, if you leave this charging and then you decide to unplug this from the wall, the light goes away, okay? You try to plug this guy in to your phone to charge it, because you think, well, I've charged it, I have 75%. You charge it and nothing happens. This is very frustrating. So often, it took us a few times before we realized what was happening. So I guess the unit doesn't like it if you unplug it directly from the wall before you unplug it from here. So again, now I think, oh, well, I didn't plug this in, so plug this back in. All right, now it's charging. Again, if you unplug it from the wall first, all the lights go out, and you'll know if you press that button and that light just goes out without blinking or staying on for a while, this charger does not work. It will not charge anything. So the way to fix that is to have your wall unit plugged back in. You have to plug this guy back in here to show that it's charging, and you remove this first, not the wall unit. Okay? And then if you press that, that light should stay on, and that'll tell you that it's working, right? Approve that. Go back in there, charge our BlackBerry up again. And that's normal. So biggest takeaway, when you're charging this, remember to remove it from the charger with the USB cable, not the wall unit itself. If you do that, it will not work. If you do that, the way to fix it will be to plug it back into the wall and remove it like so the charger can work again. What you get with the box is this mesh pocket and a shorter micro USB cable that we've since replaced, and actually I think I lost. It's not much use. And no wall unit. You'll have to buy that separately. But there you have it, the Anker PowerCore 20,100 milliamp portable battery with the 1 hiccup. If you have any questions, comments, please leave it in the section below. We'd love to hear back from you. We want your feedback. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs down. And if you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Shout out to Botswana.